We use the present simple to describe habits and facts that are always true. For example, I go to school every day. The sun rises every morning. In affirmative sentences, we form the present simple with the base form of the verb. The affirmative form is the same for all persons except the third person singular, which takes an S. I work in a secondary school. My brother works in a factory. Adverbs of frequency, such as always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, never, are often used with the present simple. They indicate how often something happens or how often we do something. In general, adverbs of frequency go after the subject and before the verb. We usually watch TV in the evening. Adverbs of frequency go after the auxiliary verb to be, for example, my son is never late.